Assalamu alaikum, class 7th. The chapter is algebraic identities and today we have to do question number 3 of exercise 9. So question number 3 is evaluate the following expressions using formula. So first part is 16a square plus 24ab plus 9b square and two values are given, a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3. So first of all we have to apply the formula of a plus b whole square. Then we have to put the values of a and b. So simply 16a square is the square of 4a, 9b square is the square of 3b, plus 2 is according to the formula and the first number in the first bracket and the second number in the second bracket. So when you have to multiply it, it will becomes to 4 is 8 and 8 3 is 24ab, that is equals to this term. Now this is a complete formula of a plus b whole square. So you have to put a is equals to 4a and b is equals to 3b and the sign of plus. Now this is a complete formula of 4a plus 3b whole square. Now we have to put the values of a and b that is given in the question. A is equals to 4 and b is equals to 3. So 4 as it is and a is equals to 4, 3 as it is and the value of b is 3. Now 4 4s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. 16 plus 9 equals to 25 and the square of 25 is equals to 625. Part number 2 is 4m power 4 plus 12m square n plus n 9n power 4 and the values of m and n is given in the question. So 4m power 4 is a square of 2m square. 9n power 4 is equals to this is equals to 3n square whole square plus 2 is according to the formula the first number in the first bracket and the last number in the second bracket. So this is the complete formula of 2m square plus 3n square whole square. Now we have to put the given values, that is m is equals to 1 over 2 and n is equals to 1 over 3. So 2 as it is, the value of m is 1 over 2 and the square as it is, plus 3 as it is, the value of n is 1 over 3 square and the whole square. Now the square of 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 4 and the square of 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over 9. Now the possible cutting is 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Now the remaining terms are 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 whole square. Now their denominators are not equal, so we have to equate their denominators. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now 2 3s are 6, so 1 multiplied by 3 plus as it is. 3 2s are 6, so 1 multiplied by 2. Now 3 1s are 3 and 2 1s are 2. Their addition will be equals to 5, so 5 over 6 whole square. Now their squares are 25 over 36. Question number 4 is, if p plus 1 over p equals to 5, then show that, then we have to prove that p square plus 1 over p square equals to 23. So p plus 1 over p equals to 5. To prove that p square plus 1 over p square is equal to 23, simply we have to take the square of these terms. Now squaring on both sides and we get p plus 1 over p whole square equals to 5 whole square. Now we have to apply the formula a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So p square plus 2 into p into 1 over p plus 1 over p whole square. P square plus 2p into 1 over p plus 1 over p whole square equals to 5 square 25. Now this p will be cancelled out with this p and we get p square plus 2 plus 1 over p square equals to 25. Now this 2 will become negative 2 against the equality sign. So p square plus 1 over p square equals to 25 minus 2. The answer is p square plus 1 over p square is equal to 23. Hence proved. हमें यही प्रूव करना था कि p square plus 1 over p square 23 होगा. Question number 5. Find the values of a square plus b square and a power 4 plus b power 4 when a plus b equals to 5 and ab is equals to 4. A plus b equals to 5 is given in the question. So we have to squaring on both sides and we get a plus b whole square equals to 5 square. Now we have to apply the formula a plus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to 25. Now the value of AB is given in the question, that is 4. So we have to put the value of AB, that is 4. So A square plus 2 into 4 plus B square is equal to 25. After multiplication we get A square plus 2 4s are 8 plus B square equals 25. A square plus B square is equal to 25. Plus sign will become minus against the equality sign. So 25 minus 8 equals to 17. So the value of A square plus B square equals to 17. Now we have to find the value of A power 4 plus B power 4. So simply we have to take the square on both sides. Now taking squaring on both sides, we get A square plus B square whole square is equal to 17 square. Now the same formula, A square plus B square plus 2 according to the formula, A square in the first bracket and B square in the second bracket. So we get 2A square B square. 17 square is equal to 289. Now A square B square can be written as AB whole square, and the value of AB is given in the question, that is 4, and the square of 4 is equal to 16, and after multiplication of 16 with 2 we get 32. So A power 4 plus 32 plus B power 4 equals to 289. Now A power 4 plus B power 4 is equal to 289, plus 32 will become minus 32 against the equality sign. So we get A power 4 plus B power 4 is equal to, their subtraction will be equal to 257. So the value of A power 4 plus B power 4 is equal to 257. Question number 6. If 2AB plus 5CD equals to 5 and ABCD equals to 1. So what is the value of 4A square B square plus 25C square D square? 2AB plus 5CD is equals to 5 is given in the question. So we have to find the value of this term. So simply we have to squaring on both sides, and we get 2AB plus 5CD whole square is equals to 5 square. Now we have to apply the formula A plus B whole square. Here A is equal to 2AB and B is equal to 5CD. So 2AB square plus 5CD whole square plus 2 according to the formula, 2AB in the first bracket and 5CD in the second bracket, and the square of 5 is 25. Now 2 2s are 4. A square, B square, 5 5s are 25, C square, D square, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, A, B, C, D. Now 4A square, B square plus 20, the value of A, B, C, D is given in the question, that is 1, plus 25 C square, D square is equal to 25. Now 21s are 20 and 20 will become negative 20 against the equality sign. So we get 4A square, B square plus 25 C square, D square is equal to 25 minus 20. And we get the answer, 4A square, B square plus 25 C square, D square is equal to 5. Question number 7. Find the values of the followings. There are 3 parts. Part number 1 is 503 multiplied by 503. So this is 503 whole square, and 503 is nearest to 500. So we have to put 500 plus 3. When we have to add 500 into 3, we get the same answer, 503. Now here 500 is the A and 3 is the B. So this is the A plus B whole square. The same formula. So we have to put 500 square plus 3 square plus 2 is according to the formula. 500 in the first bracket and 3 in the second bracket. 500 square is equals to 2,50,000 plus 2 3s are 6 and 6 500s are 3,000, and the square of 3 is 9. After addition we get 2,53,009.